Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Wondershare Filmora problem where one of my file is missing of FCommonView.dll. So I came with the solution for this problem. I have a proper solution for this. So just keep watching my video until end. Okay, and I am gonna give you guarantee that you will be also able to fix this problem and your Wondershare Filmora file will be always opening without any issues. So I shared you simple link in description box of my Telegram channel, and you just need one file to replace on your Wondershare Filmora location, so your file will be keep opening normally. So I have shared the link on my Telegram channel and I provided the Telegram channel link in description box, so you just go there and download the file of missing one, and I have already downloaded the file, so I will skip that portion. So when you download the file, it will open like this. This is a rare file. Okay, you have to unzip this, and now I am gonna just open this file and extract to my PC. So I have opened it, and if you see, there is a FCommonView.dll file. Okay, just you have to click on this and you just extract to your PC and then copy paste to your file location. I am gonna show you whole process, don't worry. So just click on this, and now you have to extract to whatever you file want. Okay, just extract it anywhere, like download file or whatever. So I will just extract it anywhere, and as I told you, I already downloaded the file and unzip that. So I will just copy my file, okay, and I will paste it on specific location. So you just copy my steps and you will also do the same thing on your PC. So after unzipping the file or extract to your PC, then you have to copy that file from the location. Okay, after copying that file, you have to paste it specific location, and I am gonna show you what is the location where you have to put that file. So you just have to search for Wondershare Filmora. Okay, I am gonna search Filmora and just open the file location over from this, and now like I will go on my desktop icon and I will just simply open the file location, and I will show you how you can also do that. I'm gonna show you all the step-by-step process, right? I will not skip any portion. So just I will click on this and open file location from this. Okay, you see there is an option of open file location, and after opening that, you just have to see there is a location of that is the file of numbering. So everyone got this file on their PC. When you install the Filmora, you just have to click on this file and you have to paste it right anywhere. You can just use Ctrl+V to paste down that, or you can click on right click on mouse so you can paste it. Okay, so I already pasted that, and you just have to paste it anywhere in this file location. And after, you see, I already opened my Wondershare Filmora, and now if you follow my same steps, you can also fix that. And to be telling you, my link is in description box.